NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 PCB leak exposes massive GB202 Blackwell GPU die, Samsung GDDR7 memory chips and tons of VRMs. NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5090 PCB has been leaked once again, this time fully equipped with a Blackwell GB202 GPU and GDDR7 memory. NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5090 has one crowded PCB that features a massive Blackwell GB202 GPU, lots of GDDR7 modules and a power delivery designed for a flagship. Yesterday, we got our first look at the PCB of the upcoming NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, which will be the flagship GPU within the RTX 50 Blackwell gaming lineup. The compact yet crowded PCB looks very powerful and would feature an insane number of components. Now, we have a new leak that once again gives us a better look at the PCB. Spotted over at Baidu forums, the new picture shows the PCB fully decked out with components, and the three most important things to talk about are the GPU, the RAM, and the VRMs. Starting with the GPU itself. The chip is labeled as GB202-300A1, which confirms previous leaks, and we can also see that this is not a retail SKU but a qualification sample that should be close to the final design. The chip looks as massive as ever and has a very large IHS around it to ensure maximum contact with the heatsink. Surrounding the GPU are 16 GDDR7 memory modules from Samsung, which should be running at speeds of 28 Gbps. The RTX 5080 will be the only SKU in the lineup to feature higher GDDR7 DRAM speeds. These GDDR7 modules are arranged exactly as the past leaks had hinted and will feature speeds of up to 28 Gbps across a 512-bit bus interface. This would offer a total bandwidth of 1792 GB per second, a massive uplift over the 1008 GB per second bandwidth of the existing RTX 4090 GPU. As for the VRMs, we can count a total of 28 VRMs within the section of the PCB pictured. There are a lot more capacitors based on the previous leak, and the card will receive power through a single 16-pin, 12 volts -2x6. connector interface. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 is expected to feature a TBP of up to 600 watts. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 will be the flagship GPU and will launch either by the end of January or early February, while the RTX 5080 is currently scheduled to hit shelves by mid-January. Expect more information on the next-gen lineup at CES 2025. Which is a few weeks away.